please. Singot.
Hello, Alessia.
So you're sleeping.
I want to cry now.
Mayo gilak, ma. Ayaw, ma.
Oh my God.
Tayo na lang. Singot.
This is the only
Kubayot.
what I can afford for now.
Taganan na. Yung mga baho rin mga singot.
You know why I wanted to meet you? Because you inspired me, and then I trained these girls to free dive. So I wanted to meet you in person to ask you tips on how to free dive and how to be like you.
How to be like you, confort ka na your body.
How to have your body.
Sexy body.
Picture me Albert di kami tanong. But you're so sexy. It's a fans club, no? You already have a fans club in Cebu.
Yes.
Actually, I told her that you were so humble, you were so proud.
Oh, today 109. You were never. Today, another one.
Thank you. The other day was 107. So
We can ask her.
Isa. Nagjujug ko. Wait a minute. Ang akong tripod gibilin.
But we went out to Pinky.
wala na, sexy. Manong nakutatawa. Dako rabak.
1, 2, 3.
Sa birth.
May 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wala tingala. Diyang sinungan. Isa ka din.
1, 2, 3.
Ano ka na?
Tapos na daw.
3. Waki. Okay.
So, we're actually planning to free dive. So, a while ago when I said, oh my God, baby, I cannot meet Alessia today. So, and then the guy told me that you were staying in Stan's place.
Yeah.
And then I was asking the Editas, the other doors, where are they? And I asked her a while ago, Ayo! Then no one replied because she was sleeping. And then so we went to Stan's shop. And then when we reached to the shop, hello, hi, do you know Alessia? So, why? We wanted to meet her before Friday, before she leaves Cebu. Oh yes, wait for my wife.
But on the first.
Iba mo po signature.
I don't know what they
Autograph.
did today. I don't know nothing.
Autograph.
Yeah.
Sa picture, tagtatag sa tagsa.
Pwede. But asa man sa tinan dito. Basahin ko sa pins niya atong tabunan.
Makuan man, mapapa, ragya po na. Tabunan man.
Kuanan o kuan ka ng colorless.
So, let me introduce you to Joylyn,
Nice to meet you.
Grace,
Hello,
Lyra,
Hi, Alessia.
Eve, and then Albert, her husband.
Oh, nice to meet you.
He's one of the best heroes in Argao.
Spiro.
Fishing.
Yeah. And then Margrette, your always commenting.
Where you live?
Huh?
Where you live?
In Argao, so we traveled around 2 hours to get here. So remember when I posted before, my only Christmas wish was to get Immunofin from Alessia, and then you replied, "Where are you from?" I remember that. So after that, I did not stop commenting, my idol, until finally I got to see the sardines run picture. Oh my gosh, this can't be Cebu. It was really Malboan. So here we are.
When you went to Sunyaki. It's the other side.
Yes,
Argao delegate is.
Maybe you didn't know.
No, I didn't know. I was just driving somewhere.
She's so, I couldn't, because one time we went barbecue there at the beach and then I told
Bye!
Thank you, Mom Pinky.
Ma'am,
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. God bless you. God bless me. God bless you, everybody.
Hinihilak siya do.
Wala siya.